Factorize x to the power 4 plus 64 and find the value of 8p square q square inside bracket p to the power 4 plus q to the power 4. For this question we can take help from here is given part. Welcome to Home of Math. Today we are going to solve two math based on algebraic expression. Let's start. Our first question is a very simple thing, where is we will factorize x to the power 4 plus 64. X to the power 4 plus 64. This one, once we factorize, first we have to find out we can simplify any kinds of algebraic formula. If not, we can addition something. Like here is x to the power 4. We can write x square to the power square plus here is 64. We can write 8 square, it means 64, but we cannot do anything for factorization, but we can write like this x square whole square plus, and here is 8 square. Look, it's looking a square and it's looking b square. So if we add like 2ab, a means x square, b means 8, but here is plus 2x square 8 is a additional thing, so we can out this one minus 16x square. So it means once we cut this one it will become this one, right? So we can write now for this one we can write x square plus 8 whole square, right? And here is minus 16x square, we can write 4x square. Now look, here x square plus 8 whole square, it's a square, and minus 4x square, it means b square. So a square minus b square, we know a square minus b square, we know a plus b times a minus b. So we can write like this x square plus 8 plus 4x and x square plus 8 minus 4x. Okay, and we can synchronize this one. So x square plus 4x plus 8 and x square minus 4x plus 8, and this is our answer. Okay, this is a very simple math, but we have to keep concern how we can solve this one. A math can be solved lots of way. This video we are trying to solve just following two methods. One is a plus b whole square. This is one of the most famous formula of algebraic expression, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and we also follow this one. So factorize x to the power 4 plus 64. The answer is x square plus 4x plus 8 and x square minus 4x plus 8. Now start number B. Number B. Number A done. Number B, find the value of 8p square q square times p to the power 4 plus q to the power 4. And we can get help from given 1 and 2. So number V, given from number 1. So here is p square plus q square equals to 4th root of 64. So this 4th root of cube 64 we can write like this. First 64, once we prime factorize, so 232, 216, 28, 24, 22. Look, so this one we can write 64 to the power 1 by 4 once we omit 4th root, right? This one we can write, but this 64 we can write like this. Here is 1 2 3 4. This 4 2 we can write 2 to the power 4, right? And here is this 2 we can write root 2 times root 2. these two we can write root 2 times root 2. So finally this one we can write root 2 to the power 4, and overall this one we can write like 2 root 2 to the power 4, and here is times 1 by 4. Okay, so look, 2 root 2 to the power 4, it means 64, right? Because 2 to the power 4 means 16, and root 2 to the power 4 means 4, and 16 times 4 means 64. Very simple. And here 4 1 by 4, so 4 and 4 out, we can write p square plus q square equals to 2 root 2. So from equation 1 we can get p square plus q square equals to 2 root 2. So here given one is equation 1, another one is equation 2. Okay. Achha. Next time or next from 2 we get what? P square minus q square equals to 4th root of 81. So this one also similar thing. We know 3 to the power 4 means 81 to the power 1 by 4. So this 4 and this 4 out, the answer is 3. So we get two things, p square plus q square is equal to 2 root 2, and p square minus q square equals to 3. Okay. Now look, now we have to find out the value of 8p square q square p to the power 4 q to the power 4. So 8p square q square p to the power 4 plus q to the power 4, right? Now what can we do? This one, look, 8p square q square and p to the power 4 plus q to the power 4, we need to make some theory, like we know about one is 4ab formula of algebraic expression, which is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Everybody know this one, but I need to explain this one. Look, a plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square, and here is minus, we can write a square minus 2ab plus b square. So once we simplify this one, a square plus 2ab plus b square, then minus a square, then plus 2ab, then minus b square. So finally we see a square minus a square, b square minus b square out. So here is 2ab and here is 2ab, and finally it will become 4ab. So here we see 4ab means a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So this one we also can simplify like this, 4p square q square times 2, and this p to the power 4 plus q to the power 4 we can write like this, p square square plus q square square. Now look, this one is looking what? This one is looking another theory, which is 2 times a square plus b square. It means what? A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Once we simplify this one, here plus 2ab and minus 2ab out, and a square become 2, like a square plus 2ab plus b square, and plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. So plus 2ab and minus 2ab out, and answer will be 2a square plus 2b square, where we can take common 2. So a square plus b square. So this one everybody we know. So in this case, this algebraic equation we can write like, here is 4p square q square. It means a square plus b square whole square minus a square minus b square whole square, right? Now look, next 2 times p square plus q square, it means 2a square plus b square. We can write a plus not a, it should p square plus q square whole square plus p square minus q square whole square, right? Now we can put the value, and look, here should p and q, p and q, p and q. Now once we put the value, we can do it next line, next page. From last page we get this one, p square plus q square equals to 2 root 2 and p square minus q square equals to 3. So we can put this value in this algebraic equation. So p square plus q square is a 2 root 2, 2 root 2, then square, minus p square minus q square is a 3. So here is also square. Similar here, p square plus q square is a 2 root 2, then square, plus p square minus q square is a 3, then square. Now look, 2 square means 4, root 2 square means 2, minus 3 square means 9, okay. Then here is also same thing, 2 square means 4 and root 2 square means 2 and plus 3 square means 9. So here is minus 1 because 4 times 2 is 8, or we can clearly write this one, 4 times 8 minus 9, and here is 8 plus 9, and finally minus 1 because 8 minus 9 is a minus 1, and here is 8 plus 9 is a 17. So our answer is minus 17. Look, the question where find the value of 8p square q square inside bracket p to the power 4 plus q to the power 4, answer is minus 17. Hope you are understand this one. And in this math we are following 4ab theory, and another theory is 2a square plus b square, which is very important theory of algebraic expression. So thank you very much being with me. We are trying to solve advanced level algebraic expression, which is algebra 1, and it's also help for algebra 2. Even it's helping for any kinds of competitive examination like IGCSE, SSC, CBSE. Thank you very much being with me, and don't forget subscribe the channel.